I've been getting a lot of questions about how to change the Hepa filter on this Hoover Windtunnel. It's pretty simple, so let me show you how it's done. Here I have the Windtunnel, and the filter we're talking about is the disposable filter. It's right here where you see the Hepa filter. This is where it is. You just hold between the two hoops here and you pull and it comes right out, and this is the filter that I'm talking about. And this filter is disposable, so we'll have to throw this out. Before you even try changing this, make sure that you have the correct filter to refill. Depending on how dirty it is, the filter here, if it's really black, you need to throw it out. But this one's pretty clean, so as you can see, this one's now ready for changing. But as long as you take it out and this is all black, you know it's no good. And when you're changing it, it's this entire unit here that needs to go. So you have to make sure you buy the correct fit to the brand that you're using, because this entire unit is what you're going to toss right out in the garbage. So once you get the new one, then all you need to do is fit it back where you have the new one. All you do, you take it and you put it back into the slot and push it in until you hear a click. When you hear the click, it's done. And there you have successfully changed your Hepa filter, the disposable one. I hope this helped. Give me a big thumbs up or hit the subscribe button if you're new to my channel. And if you've just tuned in to the Hepa filter change and you need to know about the washable filters, just browse my channel and there's a video there of changing all of the washable filters. I'll show you how you can open the Hoover vacuum and wash all the filters individually. Thank you for watching Serena's Choices. All the best.